Abakenya baganyete koigwa rigori rinya rya maguta kurwa sekyombe gekorenga amaguri y'amaguta n'ekinguru cy'umurero EPRA. Mwaziri we wizara y'ekinguru cy'umurero n'amaguta Opiyo wandaye wesokirie na goteba amaguta Nereo Aisaine ime Yense asabo igaruro kuboria gucyasaba Kenya gutawwa kubwatekana n'engane yo kuko na igasomo cyo Nairobi cinga kyaumerana n'abararia nigakwanira gusekyombe kyo amaguri ge gucyakoraria nigo arache komenta otebire Abakenya baganye na batige obwoba.
Yense ya Kenya nigebwate amaguta Aisaine n'Abakenya tibabwenereti koba na bwoba bonde bwensi ayo namangana yo muwaziri bw'amaguta n'ekinguru cy'omurero ime Yense Opiyo wandanyi.
In a market of this kind, world prices can move either way within a week, as you have seen. What we can state plainly as government is this. Kenya's fuel supply has held firm throughout. Under our government-to-government arrangements, cargoes have continued to be sourced from a wider set of loading regions beyond the Gulf. Every scheduled cargo has arrived and has been offloaded on time, and fuel has remained available at the pump throughout the country. And that means, therefore, that we have been able to achieve our foremost objective as a government, and that is to ensure steady and uninterrupted supply of petroleum products. Many Kenyans have understandably been following developments in the Middle East, particularly the renewed military escalation around the Strait of Hormuz. These have resulted in attacks on commercial vessels, reduced oil tanker traffic through the strait to its lowest level in approximately 2 months now, and heightened uncertainty across international energy markets. You know, we are basically now operating under a state of near normal.
Gukwana ase omucho Nairobi Opiyo nigo atebire serikali Yense nigegenderete kurigereria amaguri y'amaguta ayobo igatebire anyoriro gwakwa kubwatekana n'ekisegi kikwenekiwa ase chinse cha Middle East.
Fuel remains readily available across the country, supported by adequate national stocks, a resilient and fully operational import and distribution system, and the continued success of the G2G fuel supply arrangement, which has strengthened Kenya's energy security while reducing pressure on foreign exchange demand. With the restart of the Middle East crisis, international benchmarks have now begun to climb again, and this renewed pressure will be reflected in the pricing cycles that will follow. This ministry will continue to work closely with the industry to keep supply consistent and uninterrupted, to defend the fixed terms of our government-to-government arrangement, and to keep Kenyans fully and openly informed as the picture continues to develop. And what I'm saying in short is that even as we guarantee the security of supply as government on account of the very robust G2G fuel importation arrangement, those factors out there that create a situation where prices continue to escalate, even though they are beyond our control as a country and as a government, we are lucky that within the G2G framework, the freight and premium cost component remains fixed.
Nonya nabo oenekeirie Abakenya buna wizare yo nigegenderete kubwaterana na ababwatani bande kwenekia buna amabuta atari kubora asebo igatebire eserikali yamentire omuruberio bugutarusigwa ebango ya VAT asa amaguta asegeka kemetienye 3 goika kitariki 14 cy'omutenyi oikomi mwaka w'ekiribubere 2025 noyomo.
As a government, we have invested significantly in building a more resilient petroleum sector that is better equipped to withstand external shocks. The systems partnerships, and strategic interventions we have put in place over the past few years continue to provide confidence that Kenya can maintain a reliable and uninterrupted supply of fuel, even as global markets experience heightened volatility.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase omochio Nairobi erietaria ne Linet.